This game is sort of fun.
Yeah.
It's a little old. I got an ocular HUD.
Oh. Equipment.
Gain 100% critical hit chance. Well, that's useless.
Yeah, for you. I have one that makes me summon like 4 turrets. Or
No, I
drones.
wanted that, you asshole! That's no fair. I was already going after it.
It drops a healing orb.
Oh yeah, that's right. Whenever I see it, it reminds me of like the jagged tooth necklace from fucking Terraria, which like increases your melee speed.
Oh!
And so I'm thinking like, oh yeah, give me that!
There is an item to increase your attack speed. You can...
Bye-bye.
As this character, you see how like slow I fire arrows?
Yeah.
I've gotten to the point where it's like a machine gun. Exactly, and everything just gets vaporized. Even the bosses.
Look at my guy.
After we do the boss, don't like exit. I'm gonna have to pee. I'm holding it. Actually, you want to go ahead and do the boss?
No.
Yeah, to be expected.
Increases. I just got two sodas.
Sodies.
Look how fast I run now.
Awesome.
I had one before, but I used that to get another crowbar. So now, like, when I do the right click and shit, it like one hit kills a lot of shit.
Oh yeah, you can like get tons of those, and you like almost one hit kill bosses. You just get stupid overpowered later. With this like set of artifacts,
We're already overpowered though.
No, dude, it gets crazy.
Gold bar. Yeah, this is like an Autismo game. No wonder you fucking love this.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I wish we could share items.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Like, whatever item we pick up is shared between the both of us.
At that point, it would be so ridiculous already.
Well, yeah, but at the same time, it's like twice the enemies because we're 2 people.
Yeah.
I don't know, I think it would balance out.
Though whenever you don't have that artifact that makes them drop, it does do twice the treasure chests.
The delicate wash. Deal bonus damage.
Yeah, I have like 2 of those.
They break at low damage though.
Low health.
Soldiers. Oh, hey, look! I found that thing that increases your attack speed.
Oh, I remember I had it modded, and I gave myself like a 500 of those.
Why can't I pick this up? Why can't I pick this up?
It's an equipment. You have to select it. It fires your gold. Our gold. It's kind of a waste. Don't use it. It's not that good.
How do I use it?
You hold Y, or I think you hold Y. It's not that good. We're just mowing them down.
I wish they made the items stand out a little more.
Oh yeah.
Maybe there's a mod for that.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got another goat hoof.
Yeah, I saw that. I passed right by that. 'Cause I didn't fucking see it. So wait,
No, I
did we
think it
share
just-
gold?
Yeah. But the more gold we have at the end of it, the more XP we get.
So now I have 3 secondary attacks.
Wait, what? How?
I got another backup mag.
Oh, that. I thought you meant like different ones. You want to go ahead and... We're way over ready for that. And later on, there's even more enemies.
I got another delicate watch. If you find another goat hoof, just give it to me.
But I like running fast at the speed of ass.
Yeah, but I'm faster. Like, I'm not as fast.
Fine.
I got another war banner.
Red.
What did that lunar coin do?
Oh, that's like, you can spend it later on to unlock new levels, I think.
Okay, well I just picked one up then.
Okay.
Cause I saw you pick one up earlier.
Oh god, you actually have like physics to your jump, kinda. So you can run up and then jump off a ledge, you fucking go flying.
What? Shit is hectic.
Yeah. Oh, you might like that.
What does it do?
You can fly for a bit.
How do I use it? Oh,
You-
Q. Is it single use?
No, you reuse all your equipments, but it has a cooldown. With that one, I don't think the cooldown's very much.
It's like a minute.
Yeah.
No! That's not fair. Wait, I got a war horn. What's that?
You have more items than me anyways.
Yeah, but I'm new.
I'm new.
Bye-bye. %, chance to bleed enemies on hit. I have 3 of
that's
them.
great. Awesome.
Yeah, I wish you were doing as good as me. Yeah, the next goat hoof you find, let me have it.
Fine.
I want to see how crazy fast I can get.
It's not limited. So you can like run up like off of this ledge. If I had like a lot more, like I had in a previous build, I go flying across the entire map. You'll like hit a bump and just go straight up into the stratosphere. If you're sprinting.
I'm ascending like an angel. So what's the story of these guys?
I don't know, actually.
Bunch of cool dudes on a planet.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to activate the thing now?
Yeah. Don't go through it after we beat them.
I'm gonna go through it.
No, I have to pee.
Another beetle queen?
Huh. Like, it depends on the area.
It's already dead. I already killed one of them.
Sweet.
Goat hoof! And the razor wire. And something, I don't know what that is. Predatory instincts. Critical strikes increase movement speed.
Oh god.
With my 50 fucking percent
Just
critical strike chance.
just maximum speed.
I got detonate enemies on kill. 2 of them.
Oh yes, radar scanner. Oh yes.
What does that do?
It reveals the location of every interactable thing on the map. Like for a short time.
Now everything just explodes when I kill it. Which, if I'm not mistaken, does incendiary damage, so it's multiplied by 4.
Oh yeah.
What's the backup?
The backup. Oh, that's the thing that summons the 4 drones.
Oh.
Alright, hold on, I gotta make wee wee from my weenie.
Alright, I'm gonna go in.
Oh!
Well, you wanna go ahead and use that and find the rest of the stuff on this map?
Oh yeah. I'll do it for you real quick before I run. Okay, it's done.
What? I don't see. Oh, wait, I see it now. Oh, shit.
What you find?
Hold on. Oh, no, it goes away after a while.
Yeah.
Ooh. What is that? Periodically releases a healing nova during the teleporter event.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
Well, not really.
No, dude. They get crazy later on.
Well, yeah, but we're like shredding shit.
Even with how we are now, we're gonna struggle against the final boss. I struggled a bit with my 50 item build. Well, not... kind of.
Do it again so I can see the rest of the shit.
Okay.
Stupid bitch, I hate you.
I peed so much, dude.
No, I called dibs on all of them.
No. I have that thing!
Said there were items over here. There's no items over here. Do it again.
Hold on, it's recharging. Got like 20 seconds left.
What the?
Uh,
Oh, I guess I was out of bounds. Oh, I just found an item. An enemy dropped it.
huh.
No, no, you fucking nigger!
Ooh!
That's the one I was going for!
You forgot we were streaming, huh?
I don't care anymore. What's this? Scrap items.
Oh no, are you doing that? Don't do it.
Why? What does it give you?
It gives you scrap, which is the main thing that will be used for next 3D printer you use. So you can get an regenerating scrap, which if you have one, it's like one use per area, and it's like only on the green printers, and it only uses that. But if you can get a lot of them, and you can get some crazy shit.
So what did you fucking steal from me?
Oh, it's just an opal thing.
Yeah, something I don't have. Two banners.
Yeah.
My shit's stacked, so my banner looks more OP.
my poop's cracked. Jeez, there's a lot in this. Damn.
And there's another void thing over here.
Hell yeah. My turn for this one.
What do you mean?
My item.
Didn't you get one last time?
No, you got it.
Well, mine's useless, though.
No, yours fires things against enemies, targets automatically.
No, it doesn't!
Or, I think it's like when you attack, it has a chance to fire at a random enemy.
Just got 2 crowbars.
Epic.
Gorag's Opus.
God damn.
What?
Just so many things over here. Like, things attacking, I mean.
Ah!
What?
You're welcome.
What was that?
That frenzy shit, that's me.
Oh.
Bandolier. So whenever I kill enemies, it has a chance for them to drop something to recharge my abilities.
Oh my god, that's a really good one. Oh damn it, this one just didn't have one. It's a rare chance. Or it might just be somewhere else. Sometimes that happens.
A topaz branch. Gain a temporary barrier on kill.
Oh, that's a stacking shield.
Okay. Gasoline!
Oh, the holy item. Everything shall die. Yeah, there's just no void crate that time.
Wow.
That's just
That
bad
sucked to be
luck.
you.
Well, I still claim the next void crate I see.
Nah.
Yeah. I love Warcraft. Oh.
What?
That you're looking
Primordial cube?
at. Yeah. It makes a black hole. It sucks all the enemies into it. But like it doesn't kill them, I don't think. Or it does a little damage. But it keeps them there for a little bit.
Just got another fucking guitar.
Rad.
And all it cost me was one of these things that I don't know what it does. Gore's Tome.
Uh-oh, yes, I got a feather. That gives me an
What
extra
is-
jump. When those stack up, you can get like so many jumps, you just go up into the sky. You basically fly around.
Well, you want those wings? I dropped the wings.
Oh, nah. I like
It's
my
like the
radar.
Same thing, though.
I like my radar.
Oh, yeah. It's another primordial cube.
Oh.
Slow enemies on hit.
Oh, that's good.
Open barrel.
Yeah.
Open Bob, show Vagine.
Shelvagine, open Bob.
Do you see how shit's arcing?
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah.
I've got 2 of those fucking guitars. Or,
Awesome.
sorry, ukuleles.
Yuckles. Yackles.
Scan shit.
Oh yeah.
Keep scanning.
It just reloaded.
What is that TC 280?
A special huge drone that'll shoot a Gatling gun for
Oh
us.
god, I see it. I mean, this game's kind of fun.
You're loving it.
It's alright. You picked that up? I fucking picked that up! I shit you not, on my fucking screen. I literally am the one who picked it up.
Whoa, that's cool. We both got it then.
No, only you did.
Oh. How odd. Jesus.
I got an opal.
That's still good. I love how none of the items are just bad. They're all useful.
Funded?
What did you do?
I got an achievement called Funded. This music is kind of gay, though.
What?
Yeah, it sucks.
Nah.
It's awful.
Nah.
What, you like this shit? Fucking gay. Oh, bro, you know what I fucking realized the other day when I was rewatching Regular Show?
What?
I feel stupid for not noticing this before. Apparently, when they're doing the secret art of the montage, remember that?
Yeah.
For Pops? That's
Yeah.
through the Fire and Flames.
Yeah.
I never realized it.
I guess you're just not as smart as me.
No, I'm just not a fag that listens to faggy music.
No, it's good music.
Says who?
Me.
Dick. Crowbar.
Epical.
Just got something else, but I didn't see what it was.
Huh.
Oh no, just a sticky bomb dropped.
Oh. Epic.
Deal 5,000 damage a second. I'm getting all these achievements. I think we've got all the items out of here. We just need to kill enemies for them now.
Yeah.
Opal.
Mm-hmm.
I hate you. Delicate watch. Hold on.
I'll protect you while you're doing whatever you're doing.
No, I was gonna get that.
What?
Let me get them because they stack, remember?
Oh yeah. Those are really good for the boss battles.
I would have had 3.
Oh. Well, now I have 2.
Monster log bison.
Oh yeah, that's just like a kind
He
of
just fucking took his shit, dude.
Yeah.
I got another guitar!
Oh, you can get a saw boomerang equipment.
Huh?
Saw boomerang, right there.
I don't need it.
Okay.
I got this.
Yeah.
The Sommering. I'm gonna go get a little more chili.
Chillinor.
You want some of this?
Nah.
Oh, I forgot. You don't like good food.
I love McDonald's.
I know, that's what I say. You don't like good food.
McDonald's is like quality shit.
McDonald's is not quality.
It's a form of quality.
Yeah, bad quality.
Good quality.
Bad quality.
Delicious.
That's why it's super cheap.
Super cheap because they have heart.
They're a multi-billion-dollar corporation.
Delicious.
Bro, they have a clown locked in there that they shock.
I'd pay for that.
No, large Sprite to number 3. That
And,
hurts the clown.
And I'd like to hurt the clown.
Like a small Sprite and a hurt the clown. Small Sprite to number 3. I'm putting the chili out, so just give me a sec.